Baby squirrel! I think we need to give him a name. He's not eating his peanuts. Honey, he's gonna be wet. It's raining.
Yeah, we gotta get him.
Get him out there?
We gotta get him off of there.
Why is not moving? It's not moving. It's just like... Hello.
Come on, fella. Just jump on him. There we go. Whoops. Here. Film him.
Baby squirrel.
Film him.
Yeah, he's coming in. So tiny. I have to focus the camera.
Come on.
Come to daddy.
We gotta get him back in the bushes where he's comfortable.
Okay.
Come on.
Oh no.
Get up here.
Come on, be a good boy.
That's it. Stay there now. Stay there.
Stay there.